Hello friends, greetings for the day. Every year, first Tuesday of May is observed as World Asthma Day to increase awareness of asthma disease among people. This year in 2025, first Tuesday of May falls on 6th of May. So, asthma is the most common non-communicable disease of humankind affecting respiratory system of adult as well as children. So it affects children as well as adults. Approximately 260 million people worldwide suffer from asthma, and approximately 450,000 people die due to this disease per year worldwide. And most of the deaths, approximately 96% of deaths due to asthma has been seen in low and medium income group like India because of less or no accessibility to asthma medication. So the main state treatment of asthma is inhaled medications containing corticosteroid and or short-acting beta agonist. Short-acting beta agonist acts as quick reliever, and inhaled corticosteroids act as anti-inflammatory, which controls the disease process responsible for asthma and its symptoms. Because of the high cost, it is not accessible to all people, and people suffer from asthma morbidity and mortality. So Global Initiative of Asthma GINA has made a theme of this year in 2025, make inhaled medication accessible to all. So government, non-government organization, pediatric or adult respiratory societies worldwide and civil societies should act in coordination to make inhaled medications available to all people suffering from asthma, children as well as adults. In our society, there is a myth that inhaled medications causes addiction. This is wrong, because it is not a narcotic drug. It contains same drug which is contained in syrups or tablets. It has been made in inhaled form to make it better effective with less side effect. So don't be afraid of inhaled medication. Don't be afraid of corticosteroids. Thank you very much. Myself, Dr. D.K. Jha, pediatric pulmonologist and intensivist, Delhi and NCR. Please take care.